Business is demanding more and more of finance every day. And with the prevalence of AI expanding, your core, your financial core, is more important than ever before. So what do we mean? We mean the need to close, to consolidate, to plan, and report. Forward finance needs a strong foundation, and these are the things that you must do. Now, with AI, it introduces non-negotiables. And Tom touched upon them. Your data needs to be solid, secure, efficient, accurate, auditable. These are the key ingredients, and this is why we're so focused on the core, and that's why we've been investing so heavily. I'm really excited to highlight 3 investments that we've made over the past year, so you can understand how this is coming together. And it's been a busy year. It's been an amazing year. About 11 months ago, we focused on the first leg of our journey, which is how does data come into the platform and how do we accelerate it? And so with the release of version 9, I'm very excited that ingestion of data is now 20 times faster than it's been before. Think about what 20 times means, right? It's more time to do other things that are higher value, right? And as well, it increases our capacity to handle and address more data, which is what you want as you tackle more and more use cases. So that was step 1, milestone 1. The next one, very excited. It's new. It's part of the release that just launched last month. And what do you do after you've got the data in the platform? Well, you want to consolidate it. So we just made consolidation 4 times faster. 4 times. You don't need to change your implementations. You don't have to adjust business logic. You upgrade to this latest version, and you benefit from both of these major achievements. And as you can see, we're working our way through the core so you can continue to address more. Now, the last leg of the journey here is you need to visualize it and work with it. And so we're excited that this latest release is now 20 times faster in the browser experience. Let's face it, grids are the backbone of everything that you do, and now it's 20 times more responsive. You can see our focus on where and how we can deliver for you and where we can meet you where you work. And as we drill into that, let's face it, finance works and loves spreadsheets. And maybe more specifically, we love Excel. Me too. It's okay. Now, we've had an Excel experience, but really what we wanted to do was evolve forward and help take out the friction with some of the newest tools that are available with Microsoft 365. And that's why we're excited to announce the availability of our Excel add-in for Office 365. Now, you have the Excel experience in the client or in the browser. Take away the friction, certainly the challenges, as you all know, when it comes to upgrades. And it's not the same experience you've had today. We've expanded it. We give you new features like in-cell type-in. And you're going to see more about this as we demo it. It really unleashes and opens up new opportunities. Now, we're not going to stop here. We're going to continue to expand into other areas of the Office suite as we tackle more and more, and across the ecosystem. And you'll hear later this afternoon when we talk a bit more about Copilot and Teams. It's very exciting. Now, I know you guys are excited about Excel. I've been here for a day and a half. I've already heard it as the kind of message started to get out, and the feedback was fantastic. So we know that you're getting real benefit. But I'll say it's also nice to know when the market acknowledges it. And we're now a 4-time leader in the closing consolidation Magic Quadrant. Our goal, right, to unify all of your data, to give you that one lens to complete the tasks you must do. What's really great about what we find with the Magic Quadrant is we're cited specifically for our vision. And that's a shared vision, shared with all of you as we partner together to build and expand. And you see us executing on that vision as we look to move to power the complete modern financial close. It's an end-to-end process, automating your repetitive tasks and going from that first transaction creation all the way through to your financial reporting. Now, this has been our focus. We've been partnering with you, and we've done, frankly, amazing things together. When we look at the modern financial close capabilities, we've been evolving for years, but just last year, we introduced anomaly detection into account reconciliations. We expanded transaction matching to heights, 200 million transactions per period. And that's from you. You asked for more in transaction matching, and we were happy to partner and deliver it. And late last year, the newest entrant, Journal Entry Manager. The feedback here has been fantastic. Customers are telling us about the manual tasks it's eliminating and the optimizations that you see. And we're going to continue to give you more features and more functionality. Now, we're not going to stop there when it comes to close, because we want to ensure that not only do we have the functionality, but we've got the right experience. And we're proud to introduce the modern financial close experience. What is it? It's a simplified user experience with guided workflows that brings it all together in one lens. So rather than me talk about it, why don't we take a look?
The modern financial close allows organizations to shift from a concentrated end-of-period scramble towards a more continuous daily process. This Genesis-based unified control center provides real-time visibility into modern financial close processes in a single centralized platform. A modern task list transforms from a static to-do checklist into a dynamic execution engine. It is no longer just a record of what was done, but an active driver of the entire financial close process. OneStream's high-volume transaction matching solution transforms a manual, labor-intensive process into a strategic engine that accelerates your financial close and eliminates month-end bottlenecks. By automating up to 95% of routine matches, your team can shift their focus from manual data entry to high-value exception management and analysis. This real-time visibility ensures you maintain a continuous cycle posture, providing leadership with accurate, data-driven insights whenever they are needed. Our latest Journal Entry Manager solution centralizes your data, replacing manual spreadsheets with dynamic workflows to ensure a single source of truth for every entity. By pre-validating data, organizations ensure that only clean, accurate data ever reaches their ERPs, transforming the journal process into a strategic, audit-ready operation. Journal Entry Manager is designed to empower our customers with easy deployment and maintenance, giving finance teams full autonomy to configure workflows and templates without relying on heavy IT support or outside consultants. AI-powered account reconciliations unify your financial reporting and close processes by loading your trial balance. Once, both finance and accounting work from the same data, ensuring alignment and streamlining the close. With built-in anomaly detection powered by Sensible AI Studio, OneStream can automatically surface exceptions using pre-configured rules, like spotting documentation gaps or unusual balance changes. This lets teams focus on managing risk and resolving the issues faster, and improving transparency, control, and productivity. OneStream provides the ability to drill down from balance sheet totals to underlying reconciliations, providing a single line of sight across the entire data value chain. This capability transforms a static financial report into a transparent, audible process that ensures every dollar on the balance sheet reflects actual business activity. Embedded AI routines from Sensible AI Studio power an intelligent and automated narrative analysis. A narrative analysis transforms a standard financial table into a strategic tool by explaining the why behind the numbers. While a numeric report may show a large loss in accounts receivable, a narrative report provides the essential context, such as improved collection efforts to help leaders make informed decisions rather than reactive cuts.
And that's just a sneak peek at what's coming for this evolution of the modern close experience. Built on top of our Genesis plug-and-play architecture, that's what makes it so easy and fast to implement. Because we know that you must close your books. So what? So you can then focus and plan for the future. So you can plan for any level of your business. Maybe it's corporate, divisional, location, product, and being able to do it on one unified platform, close and planning.